Hi there, everyone. Welcome to episode 880 of the Mike from Maine show, the place where we do daily interviews with successful online entrepreneurs. This is your host, Mike Thomas, and today on the show, we have Han Fan on, and we're going to be talking about a cloud technology that's going to allow you to build websites, sell them on your own platform, and keep 100% of the profits. It even has a built-in traffic generating tool so that you can get the visitors to your site, sell the sites to them, and keep 100% of the profits. Let's get into it. Here's Han. We are here today with Han Fan, the internet man. Han, welcome to the show.
It's good to be here, Mike, and say hi to everyone who's watching this right now as well.
Yeah, it's nice having you, Han. Han's another experienced interviewer. I'm sure it's a little odd for you to be on the other end of an interview here today.
I get a butterflies right now. I get goosebumps.
Don't be too nervous, Han. You'll do fine. Today, Han's on the show, we're going to be talking about a product that he's releasing with his partner, Radu Haihainu. Han, I'm going to start us off by just reading off the sales page headline here, and you can bring us right into this. It says here, are you still struggling to make real money online? New cloud technology builds you completely done for you, cash generating stores with the push of a button. So I got a lot of questions for you today about this, Han, but before we do that, just bring us into this. What's this all about, and why should we be excited?
Well, as you know, I've been into this industry for a very long time, and I have seen what sells well and what does not sell well. And one of the things that I predict in 2017 is going to kind of blooming is that if you study Amazon, if you study the sales records, then compared to the Christmas sale last year, you start to notice one trend, and that is everybody, all the buyers that used to does not trust buying anything online. It's exactly opposite now. It's that thing's totally flipped. In fact, if a store has an online presence versus a physical locations, they're going to say, you know what, I'm going to sell out inventory online. I still have a stock on my local store. Now, what does that tell you as a very intelligent internet marketer is a huge opportunity here. What I see here is a lot of small business want to get online. Now, what is the first thing? You obviously don't even need to explain to them when you're selling any service. Like, if you're trying to sell a website, video servers, SEO servers, what's the easiest way to approach and to sell this? That obviously is website. In fact, I have interviewed a lot of expert does that. So I know the marketplace is there. And then I kind of step back, think about it. One thing is, what is everybody offline or online always need? Again, back to this one object is website, right? You need to have something representing your brand, your name, kind of show off what you have to sell, maybe where your location is, how to get a reach of you, how to contact you. Just really basic, simple website, but you need to be looking professional. And there are a lot of websites out there outdated, designed just pretty much 1980, and there's a huge opportunity that I see. But when it comes to design websites, especially like people like me, not that technical, doesn't have much designing skills, it's rather hard. And as I searching on the web, I have this ads keep popping at me, and it's called Wix.com. And I think for a lot of you have heard of it, maybe even.
I see that ad like, every time I watch a YouTube video. I think that ad from Wix.com comes up.
It follows me everywhere on YouTube and Facebook. Then I went to the website, looked like this, wow, this is pretty cool. People click on things, change a title, and then boom, you got the entire professional design website that I probably have spent like 10 grand, have some professional design to do that. I say, well, why not build a similar solutions and let a lot of people can not only just selling one website, but how about multiple different websites? How about 15? How about 10? Have this different features, and we're gonna give you an entire shop, online store, let you display all kinds well-designed, professional design template. You guys are going to see that here in a minute. But the best part of it, you don't have to handheld them to design them. When you're selling a website, somebody want to switch out a logo, they had to call you up in the middle of the night, and you got to get up, get all that sorted. what happened, the ability that we're going to give it to you and your customer is once they get a theme or a website package from you, you give them exclusive access to that. They can go in there, design, change the name, change the title, drag and drop technology, just in minutes. And you basically just selling the access. You get your money, and then you don't have to even take care of the customer service that much because the customer wants things faster. So I think it's a win-win situation from the vendor and also from the customer point of view as well. So we have a set up venture like 4 months ago last year. It's a huge project, took a huge development team to get it done. It's no easy task. Went to overcome a lot of technical issues with it, but we finally kind of got it done and really kind of to show off the world. And then we take that idea one step further, and it is, you know what? If you're selling a digital product, if you're selling affiliate product, if you're selling anything online, you're basically using the same mechanism that we are designing in this shop. We were originally trying to limit to just websites. Say, why not open that up to all kinds possibilities, such as, hey, if you're selling graphic design, we let you upload your own product. If you're selling your own product, digital product, we let you upload your own product. We're going to deliver for you. We're going to take care of the payment gateways. We're going to take care of email autoresponders. We're going to take everything for you. So whether you are selling websites, or whether you're selling digital products, or you want to selling your physical product, or maybe you want to help a local business, a mom and pop shop trying to bring a design to the store, have a store set up for them, charge them a very handsome fee for that, you can do all that now. So that's kind of like what we have in store for you guys right now.
So the basic idea, let me get this straight. The basic idea is you've got a kind of a marketplace where your original idea was that, okay, you can sell, you're going to give people like done for you websites that they can sell, and then you said, well, we'll include that, and we'll also make it so if you've got other stuff that you want to sell, you can also sell it. You don't just have to sell the websites. Am I correct?
That's absolutely right.
Okay. And I just want to say, as far as selling, websites goes, and that's just one example. I don't know if you know, Han, but when I first got started, I think you did some of this as well.
Yeah.
I did like AdSense websites, and I would sell those on Flippa. For about 20 times their monthly income. So it was great. And what I did was, at that time, instead of selling them on Flippa, like I'd sell some of them on Flippa, but what I would do is I didn't want to pay all the fees that you have to pay with putting it on Flippa, because they obviously they have to make money if you're listing it in their marketplace. So what I did was, on my website, I didn't have a tool like this, unfortunately. I wish you guys had come out with this then. But I had to list all my sites, just like I had to manually go in there and like list them all out and create like tables and all that. So I kind of had that, but I made it the hard way. So then I was able to sell those in my own marketplace and keep all the money for myself. Of course, I had to pay PayPal like a little bit of their fee, but I didn't have to pay a big marketplace like Flippa. So there's definitely an advantage to having your own marketplace, to owning the marketplace, and being able to keep all the profits instead of giving it to other people. However, my question for you, and this is an issue that I had during that time, was the advantage of using a marketplace like Flippa is that they have some traffic in it. So how am I going to get traffic to these pages?
Well, we had that in mind. It's like, we got a perfect solution as far as store, as far as easily importing datas and get the website design. So the next thing everybody needs on the internet is traffic, right? So what we did is we went one step further, say, you know what, let's help them get some viral traffic to the store. So what we did the social sharing features both in the main page, the home page, but also in the individual product pages as well.
Cool. So you can use that social sharing features and
have SEO optimization, like on page optimization feature built in as well to get the Google traffic as well.
Very cool. And as far as a demo goes, are you prepared to kind of go through and show us a little bit inside?
Yes.
Cool. Let's take a look. take a look under the hood.
Look at this in 1 minute. Let's hope I'm doing it right.
Yeah, Han does his interviews on Google Hangouts. So here we go. You got it right. We're good.
Yeah, see, we got this nice feature. Everybody love this little.
What is that
feature.
thing? What's that little like thing jumping around?
You see this?
Yeah.
It's like a paint. You see the website behind it.
Oh, that's cool. I've never seen that.
Yeah, I designed it. I asked them to do it.
Oh, nice, man.
Yeah. So that was the locking screen. So let me pause the video. We just finished this video here. Okay, so this is the dashboard. It's going to show you how many stores you have. We call the shops, and how many total customer you have, how many total product you have left listing here, and how much money you make here. So let's kind of dive into my shop. And so there you can create different type of shops. So let me type demo here, Mike demo here. And so you can have two type of shop. One shop is your own product, such as website, your digital products, your logo store, your sunglasses store, whatever. That's your own shop. The additional shop we have is called affiliate shop as well. As bonus, actually, is you can also list Amazon affiliate product on there as well. So I'm just gonna start with own shop. So you have two options here. One is, I know some people want preload all the website template in there, and that's for people who want to sell websites. It's perfect. But some people just want to start a fresh store with no product import in there. So we have two options right here. So let's go to fully load the website. So the shop name is instantly created. So here it is. So the next thing you want to do is, well, maybe you want to preview very quick. So the shop looks like professional design. So all the websites are pretty much in here. So this is the feature section. So if you want to view all the products, all the websites is in here. And also you can view them in live view as well if you click here. So like Mike, you say, if you had this kind of mechanism back the days, you probably sell more websites.
Mm-hmm. Hey, can I ask you a quick question?
Yeah.
The service is hosted by you guys, right? Like it's all done.
Yes.
Okay, so that's all hosted by you guys. When you sell, if you sell one of these websites, how does that work? Like, is that hosted by you guys too, or how's that?
When you sell it, let's say you sell it, you swap the logo and to whatever your customer want, we'll let you just download into HTML, then just FTP to their server, and then you're done.
Okay, cool.
So that's how it works. So we put a buy button up here. So as people watch, hey, I really love this thing. Let's buy it. So we add this button here for you guys as well. Very, very professional design. We don't quote me on this, but I'm trying to push my developer add down a countdown clock here too. But I don't know if we got time. But if we have time, definitely add that one in. So that's what the shop look like. Then you go to the managing sections, and before I show every other features, I like to show you this one. I think this is gonna be the most impressive one here. So let's say I got a call, say a local lawyer on creating a website. So this is how easy this is. You just create, say, I don't know, like something, because this is where I am, lawyer. I don't know, lawyer sites, maybe like that. Just create it. So I need to delete the blanks. So you can't have blanks in the name. That's what happens. So you got 27 templates in here. I think we'll talk about the funnels, and we have a total. This is including the OTO ones as well. So so let's kind of select the lawyer one. So you can preview it. So you can see, hey, this template, does that fit your needs in the desktop view, iPad view, and of course the iPhone.
Looks good. Right? It's nice and mobile friendly.
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, that testimonial guy, that Dean Hugh guy, he built the entire website on his phone. He didn't even get out his bed. He just did it on his phone.
Talk about the testimonial. I don't think we mentioned that in the interview.
Okay. So what happened is, I gave this access to a very, very old customer for my. I say, hey, why don't you help me test this thing out? Report any bugs, give me some honest feedback. How do you really feel about this? There's two reasons. Another reason I give it to him because I know he marketing to local business. I know he's gonna find this thing very useful. He knows what the customer want. So I gave him access, and he said, "Well, I'll get back to you tomorrow." All right. So next day, I got a very surprise testimonial back, and he says, "You know what? I took the most difficulty route out. I'm going to do it on my phone. Let me see if I can do it." And guess what? He did it. He said, "Oh, I'm so impressed. I'm going to buy the entire funnel when you launch this."
That's
so,
cool.
So he built this entire shop, and he also designed the entire website right on top of his phone.
That's like the hardest way I could think about doing it, but apparently that works for him.
He didn't have a training video because we still in the process of making it.
Mm-hmm.
I gave him no instructions. I just gave him login access. That's it. And he figured out everything by himself. And he said everything he ever needed for his business to run, it's already built in here. So that's how impressed he is. And you guys gonna see that on the sales page. And in fact, Michael, you probably can show that video as well. Maybe put it underneath this video.
Yeah.
Exactly like he said. So let's kind of come back to here. So let's say I want to take this website. I got I sold this template, but my customer want me to, pull up the name. This is how easy you're gonna editing this. So you have multiple pages here, right? So you just select the. Let's go to the attorney page for example. So let's say, I want to switch out this image. This is how easy this is. So I already upload my image, but you can upload here. So once I say I use this, I have the crop feature to crop exact the size that will fit perfectly in there. I will crop it.
Hand fan the lawyer man.
That's right. Now I'm a lawyer. Instantly, it's instantly reflect over here. And then we'll put some Instagram kind of like filter feature. I can blur it myself. I can gray scale myself, all that great stuff. So instantly you can drag this around. I think I'll keep moving myself up. So all this feature, it's instantly. So when you're done, just hit that. You're done. But make sure you hit the save button. And you're saved. And let's say, it's very easy. You just click and type hand fan turning or something. I don't know.
So these are the templates these are the sites that you would sell to people, correct?
Yeah, this is the sites. You can just sell the original template to them, or you can just, add more fees. I design it for you, kind of sort of thing. You can flip this site too, So
nice.
So once you're done, there's a lot. It's just literally you can just drag the section up and down. You can add more section in here. Just boom, there it is. You want to delete it, just hit the trash can. You kind of just boom, delete the section, right? So and it just if you want to switch things around.
Are there any limits on how many sites you can sell here?
I don't think so. You have unlimited personal. Wait, that's. Let's talk about that in the funnel, so I don't get confused. Because my partner sell the funnel, so I'm being solely focused on designing this software for the user experience. So I don't think they have since it's their store, they can limit by number of downloads. Okay. So it's your store. All this website is pretty much built for you, so you can say, you know what, pay me $27. You have unlimited download access, or you can say, you know what, you can only download this 10 times. You can only design 10 sites, and you're done. So so this is a shop. So you control all that variable in the settings. I'm going to show you in a minute. So let's so when you're done, just hit the preview here, and then it's going to open. Make sure you have a allow pop-up here to have this page show up. Then see all the changes I made. It's here. Then you can view on the different devices. Just to make sure.
Fan attorney.
That's right. So let's just kind of save this again. Oh, always remember save, because there's a couple of times I forgot to save. So once you're done, so now you can download this entire thing to a zip file. It's downloading right now. So I'm gonna kind of open it. well, where did it go? Oh, down here. So let me open the homepage. So this is the actual the file. If I go to attorney, it says hand file attorney here. So
and then you just upload that to their server.
Yeah, that's it. You're done.
And then another idea for anyone watching is if you want to offer, like you could offer as a service, if you've got access to hosting that you already pay for, maybe you already have a website or something, and you want to host it on your website, you could put this on your own hosting, charge them a monthly fee for it, and you could even go as far as saying, "Hey, I'll create this website for you for free." But I'll host it for you, and I'll charge you, I don't know, $50 a month to host your website, but you get it for free. If you want me to make some changes to it, just let me know. And of course, they might ask you to change a few little things on it, but I mean, you're going to be paid $50 a month for it. And if you get 5, 10, 20, 100 of those people paying you $50 a month, that's going to add up really quickly.
Right. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good idea.
Yeah.
It's a free giveaway. All right, so all the settings that on your how to design the shop designs, pretty much in here. We give you right out the gate. We're gonna give you 3 different designs for different shops. They're all professionally designed. We got you can do your own page SEO here. I mean, all this thing you really need to kind of take some time to customize your sites, but everything is pretty much a drag and drop easy sort of thing. I know we have limited time here, so I'm not gonna able to show you everything, but once you get here, you're gonna absolutely love it. So we got a contact page, we got the legal page, about page, all pretty much all set up for you. We got a social sharing here for you, like we were talking about how to get traffic, so you can talk this on compliances pages. We got the term of service, privacy, the basic, all the stuff you need. Okay, it's all can be configured here. Now the payment options, we included a lot. We got a PayPal, PayU, Stripe, to checkout. Some of this stuff I don't even know what it is. I just know PayPal and to checkout and Stripe. But my programmer, they work very hard behind the scenes to get all this installed. All right. So email marketing it's like the core of a business, internet marketing business. You need to build email lists every day. So if you notice, I don't know if you paid attention on that. Let me go back to the store. So we have this a big opt-in form up here above the foot, because they were originally put down the very bottom and say, no, that's not how internet marketing works. So we got the email newsletter built in for you. So when your buyer getting their signups, we even got a very professional emailer sending out the access here. Of course, you can switch out the logos to your own, even custom the messaging here. Very, very professional design here. Of course, we got autoresponders, we got active campaign, Aweber, Sandling, MailChimp, all kinds of good stuff in here. Also, if you can't afford an autoresponder, we do help you store the email address in here, and you can't download it from here as well, from the subscribers. So maybe later on you can use some other mailer to mail out as well. So it maybe as a backup for you, but we do store this for you. We will have a download option in here. Okay. Revenue, this is how you make money. There's 2 ways to make money. Is if you own your own store, you can do a single purchase, like a website costs $200. You're done with the deal. Or you can say, you know what, we do subscriptions, because remember, you can use this for your own product too. So we built both in. You can selling single ones or subscriptions. So once you do that, if it's subscription, you do have to kind of set up a little bit in here. You got to plan 2 and plan 3, all that stuff. So we got all kinds of stuff built in here for you. I can also including a coupon code, all that great stuff. And some people want to have their own domain. They don't want omeexpress.net. No problem. We got the C name stuff going on here for you as well. So kind of masking.
So if you want to, you guys if you want, we can just use your domain and you guys host everything for us, or we can connect our own domain.
Yeah, you can connect your domain. We're still hosting for you, but they won't see the anything about omiaexpress.net. So
Nice.
you like your own branding. So we thought that through. So that's there. And user details. This is when people sign up into your shop. There's gonna be a list here. I can also manually add a users. Sometimes I get a support email say, hey, I can't get in, so you can manually create an account and manually email his username, password to log into your shop. Here's where you add your products. This is if you want to list your own products. You can just name maybe it's a zip file you want to deliver, and also an image of the file. Could be e-cover, could be I don't know, a logo. So let me kind of show you very quick. So this is like as if you just imagine this is your own product. You were just selling logos. This is what they look like.
And like some people sell logos and stuff on Fiverr, but when they
Right.
do it on Fiverr, they actually have to pay
Right.
a large percentage of their fee to Fiverr. So
Oh,
with this, you get to skip the middleman and keep all the money.
right. So all the payment stuff, everything is already programming for you. So you gotta kind of go there and make it happen in a way. So once the product's created, it's gonna be all listed down here. So I have websites product right now, but you can have a mix. You can sell websites, you can sell logo, you can sell all kinds all in here. You can activate them, deactivate them one by one at a time, or you say, you know what, I don't want to sell anything anymore. You can hit it inactive. We also in the process adding a delete feature as well to totally completely remove them. Some people request that, but we're still kind of coding behind the scenes right now. So it's very, very easy to change the price. You don't even have to log in, click any button, say maybe you now want to sell this website for 1,000, and that's what you got to do. Now, boom, the price changed to 1,000. So
Nice.
we have different currencies. You have the I think you got to go to the setting area. You can set your currencies. So this is where you set the feature stuff. You can set your coupon codes, SEO stuff. There is one more setting. Go edit. You can set, I don't know, Turkish money or Japanese yen. Oh, oops. But it's built in there. I just gotta figure out which button I need to click.
I think most people are going to want to use dollars anyways, but yeah.
Yeah. All right. So that's that. And then my side pretty much already demoed it. Yeah, that we already went over that. So
Cool.
yeah. So and yeah. So does that kind of give you an idea your customers an idea what this does?
That does, and just to paraphrase it, I mean, it looks like you guys had the initial idea that you can set up a store and sell websites with it, and you can create the websites with the software and be able to deliver that. Plus, if you've got anything else that you want to sell, you can also go ahead and sell anything else on these as well. And I just want to also say again, the website is hosted for you, but the websites that you create, you have to either host those yourself or put those on your customers, or deliver them to your customer, or put them on your customer's server for the hosting for those. Okay, Han, so that's the front end offer there. Want to bring us through the OTOs?
Yeah. Do I need to come back to the cam or?
Yeah, just click on Skype and
I can't find my Skype right now. Hold
just
on.
click on that little Skype button at the bottom. Click on that,
Yep.
and then click on the plus button, and there we go. You're back. There's
I'm back.
Han.
All right, so that's kind of like the front end, but remember some of the template is the including the pro version, which is the OTO templates. I think in the front we have about 10 templates.
Okay.
And on the back end, we're gonna add additional 15 premium made templates. If you want the subscription features, that's in the OTO one. If you want to place the ads banner for different products, we got that built in as well. That's part of the Pro, which is OTO one as well. If you want that mapping feature, that's on the Pro. Now the OTO also come with developer license, so you can literally go out there, say to a local business or somebody want to put their product online, say, hey, you know what? Let me set up a store for you and charge them a fee for it. So
Okay, so the developer license, so on the front end, obviously you can sell the sites that you create on the front end, but if you want to actually create stores for people, if you want to actually use the software and do that for people, you need the OTO one
yeah,
to do that.
yeah,
Okay, that
yeah.
makes sense.
And the statistic, how many things being sold, it's also in OTO one as well. Yeah, so that's OTO one, and OTO two is it's like a template club. So every month we're gonna deliver, I think, 3 templates, 3 or 5. We're still kind of talking behind the scene right now. Fresh new templates and fresh new shops to you. It's already all done for you. So that's for people more into this, really love our platform, want to have a, because go out, hire a designer, hire somebody do this. It costs you a lot of money, right? So we want to really save you money by say, pay us a very low, like $19 per month. We have 3 professional template and store ready for you to go. And OTO3 is the reseller license to Omi Express. So if you want to sell this as if it's your own product and get 100% front end commission for this, that is what that is for, is reseller. Now, this is not a white label. That means we're not going to give you the code. You're not able to, what's the exact phrase for that? Recode or anything, but this is a reseller license. We let you the seller keep 100% of the money.
Did you guys decide what the price will be for reselling it yet?
I think so. I think it's 90. No, 67.
67 for reselling it. Okay, so if you're going to resell it, there'll be a price on the page for you to resell it for. And instead of being like me, I get 50% of the commission. You guys are going to get 100% of everything that you sell if you pick up that reseller license there. Han, thank you so much for coming on the show today. I know it's getting late where you are. Is there anything else, anything that we missed, anything you wanted to mention before we wrap it up?
I think if you're looking for 2017, looking for business growing opportunity here, I think selling website is the best way to go, because that's how I got started. When I started internet marketing, I had no money. But I got to keep buying those courses, right, to learn internet marketing. But where do I go get the money? Well, one thing I did is similar to Mike, is I know enough WordPress to build sites for people. I was able to selling both on Flipper and Warrior Form, get that money, and then at that time I take the profit I have, I go hire some outsourcing people, build more website, just kind of snowball effect, kind of selling it, and I know. If you put some effort into it, well, with this building websites, and it's effortless now. If you put some effort into Flipper and how to sell it, you're gonna see that money coming. Because the number one thing I have seen people being internet marketing for 2 or 3 years, still not making money, still trying to find that way to make money. And the fastest way, guys, while you're learning this, what works for you, because everybody's different. For Mike, it's different. For me, it's different. For you, it's going to be different, because we have different knowledge, different situations. You need the money comes in. You got to have cash flow in business. And the number one recommendation to my subscriber, to my customers, and to anybody who's watching this who's just starting internet marketing is providing some kind of service. And what is the number one service people need? Websites, right?
Everyone needs a website. Han, again, thank you so much for coming on the show, and best of luck with your launch.
All right, thank you for having me.
I hope you enjoyed the interview today with Han. If you are interested in picking up Omni Express at its lowest price, you're going to want to come back tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday, January 27th. You're going to be able to get it at its early bird discounted price, along with my special bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.